covered porch entryway with custom art glass front door. High-end Jean-Air kitchen appliances with gas cooktop, solid cherry cabinetry, self-closing drawers, granite countertops, ideal for entertaining. Dining space large enough to hold a hutching dining table for 8 guests. Popular craftsman style design. Imagine entertaining here with a view of the lake. Do you see the wine cooler? Site finished hickory hardwood floors throughout, 4-inch base molding and ground molding. Floor-to-ceiling stone gas log fireplace with a floating walnut live edge mantel. Opens to screened porch overlooking the lake. Breakfast nook can accommodate a 42-inch round table. LED can lighting and handmade salamander art glass light fixtures and custom window shades throughout. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Large master suite with tray ceiling, custom shades, view of the lake. His and her sinks, oversized shower, bubbler tub, custom walk-in closet to die for. Don't overlook any detail in this fine home. Second master suite with walk-in closet, Jack and Jill bath, oversized shower and bubbler tub, cherry cabinets, tile and granite. Flex room or loft is currently being used as an office. Area to be finished, entire space is heated, all required utilities present, dead end runs for electric, only need to add fixtures, drywall and flooring to finish. Pre-framed for addition of a third master suite with a walk-in closet and attached bath. Option for window seating. Bath framed and pre-plumbed for a powder room and a full bath, whole house foam insulation package, 2-zone high-efficiency heat pumps, 2-ton and 2.5-ton train 15 SEER. Oversized garage with cabinetry. Ranai on-demand hot water heater. April air-hole steam humidifier 400 AMP electrical service. Home is Energy Star certified. Imagine waking up to this every morning. As beautiful in the back as it is in the front. Can you see yourself there? It's waiting for you.